Okay, so we are going to start our 7th chapter, that is about our body. So we are going to learn about our body in this chapter. Our body is like a wonderful machine. So here our body is compared to a wonderful machine. You know why? Because because as like machine needs all its body parts to work together to run, same as our body needs all its body parts to work effectively and to be healthy, to remain healthy. Okay, so each part of the body has a different name and function. So we are having different body parts and they have different functions. So now knowing our body parts, so first we are going to learn learn our body parts. So here are some body parts given as like these are our eyes, this is the nose, these are the lips, this is the chin, our head, hair, ears, cheek, neck, shoulder, these are our shoulders, chest, chin, this is our elbow, this is our hand, these are our fingers, this is the knee, this is our leg, this is the foot. Okay, so here we have to solve an exercise. What is written here? Now match the following groups of the body parts with correct number. So here are some groups given in the box and there are some numbers given here. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to match the correct group number with the correct number. The group with the correct number. So for example, eyes, nose, lips, cheek. So this group is having these body parts, so this will fit into this one. Like here it is marking this portion. So in this portion what is coming? Eyes, nose, lips and cheek are coming in this portion. So we will match this group with 1. And then the next is neck, chest and shoulder. So this part is coming under this number. So we will match it with 2. Then knee, leg and foot. So knee is here, leg is this and foot is this. So we will match this group with 4th number. Then this one is hand, fingers and elbows. So that means this group is we will match this group with this part because this is the point that is having these parts. Okay, so match it with a pencil. Then body parts and their functions. So as we already know that we are having different body parts and all the different body parts have different functions that they do. So each part of our body has its own importance. Every part of our body is important because every part of our body has different functions to do. To keep us healthy, fit and active, all the parts of our body must work together. We can do many activities by using different parts of our body. For example, we use our legs to walk. We use our legs to run. We use our legs to play also like football. We use our hands to write. We use our hands to cut fruits. We use our hands to eat food. We use our hands and legs to board a bus. And we use our hands to drink. We use our eyes to see. We use our ears to listen. Right? So now our sense organs. Okay, so for learning sense organs, we should learn first about our senses. So there are 5 senses. Number 1 is sight. Number 2 is hearing. Number 3 is smell. Number 4th is taste. And number 5th one is, and the final one is touch. So all these senses help us to know the world around us. Right? So the organs related to these senses are called sense organs. So the organs that we use to feel these senses are called sense organs. For example, we use our eyes, or our eyes help us to see. So this is a sight is a sense, and our eyes help us to see. Hearing is the second sense, and our ears help us to hear. Smell is a sense, and our nose help us to smell. Then taste, our tongue help us to taste. Now touch, our skin helps us to feel and touch. So our eyes help us to see whether it is a day or a night, or whatever we are having in our lunch or in our dinner, or whatever is there, all the colors and everything. Whatever we see, we use our eyes to see, or our eyes helps us to see. So, and our ear help us to hear, whether it is a music or loud music or slow music or good music or bad music. Which part of our body, which sense organ help us to sense the hearing? It is our ears. Now smell, our nose help us to smell whether it is a good fragrance or a foul smell. So which part of which sense organ help us to smell? It is a nose. Now our tongue help us to taste. So whether the taste is bitter or sweet or sour, which organ help us to taste? It's our tongue. Now touch, our skin help us to feel the touch. Our skin help us to know whether it is cold outside or hot outside, or raining or whatever be the weather is, or if someone is pinching us, or so these are the things that we get to know through our skin. So skin helps. Skin is a sense organ that helps us to sense the touch. Now growing up. Children grow up with the passage of time. As you must have observed that when you were like 2 or 3 years back, when you were in nursery, you were not as tall or as healthy as you are now. So if you will wear your older clothes, the clothes that you used to wear in nursery grade, that will not fit in now. So that means you are growing, your body is growing. So a baby grows up to become a child. First, human beings are small babies, then they grow up into then they grow up into children, and then a child grows up into an adult. As you can see here in the picture, this is a baby, and after a few years he became a child, and then after a few years he became an adult. The adults are grown up peoples. So here's a question, that how we can know that the children are growing. So how can you tell somebody that the person or the children or we as a human being grow? So we give the children their clothes they used to wear when they were babies. So what we can do, we can give give children their clothes that they used to wear when they were babies. So what they will, and you will observe that they will not fit into them. This confirms that they are growing. So just हमें बोलना मत कुछ.